the dreams, they don't start at the stadium. All preparation, everything actually starts at a local level, at a community level. So for anything meaningful to happen, the entire journey needs to be supported, which is basically starting from the grassroots till actually the time we reach the stadium, which I would say is the culmination of a journey. So the overall endeavor of Kia broadly is to cover the entire journey. But yes, definitely it's very important for us to consider that the starting point will always be grassroots. And that's where the journey begins. The future is incredibly open. There's a new generation of players, communities and fans defining what the future of tennis can look like. For us, the responsibility at hand is to closely evolve ourselves, to connect more closely with the customers, to communicate more closely with them, and evolve the sport in general.